Hello and welcome back. Today I'll talk to you about the how to read notes and tabs. And here you will see music is typically written on staff. This is called a staff. It's got 5 lines, and this is called the treble clef. The treble clef denotes that this is a melody line, but we can also write accompaniment on it. And you can see these are the notes on the lines: E, G, B, D, and F. And how we were normally taught in music school is to remember this sentence: every good boy does fine. So E is for every, and then G is good, B is boy, D is does, F is fine. We also have notes on the space, in the spaces: F, A, C, E. So this is easy to remember: F, A, C, E. And if we combine both together, we get E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. And you will notice that music is written using only these alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. After G, it comes back to A, it cycles back. So all music is written only using A to G. And sometimes, if there are not enough lines to indicate a higher note or lower note, we can draw extra lines like this. For example, to indicate a higher A, we can draw a line above the staff. And same thing with notes which are low. Those which are below the staff, we can draw extra lines for them. And these lines are called ledger or leger lines. They mean the same thing. Now, the staff itself does not help us to know where to press on the fretboard of the ukulele. So there is another notation which are called the tablature notation, and normally we simplify it by just calling it tab or tabs, and this is easier to read. Each line of this tab refers to the string of your ukulele. So the first string is this one. So this first string is denoted by this line, the topmost line. So that is the first string. And then the second string is this one, which is E. So we have A, we have E. First string, second string. And then the third line refers to the third string, which is this, C. And lastly, the fourth line refers to the fourth string, which is G. So we have A, E, C, G. First string, second string, third string, fourth string. And then to denote which fret we need to press, we use numbers. So down here we can see that the number 0, let me just incise it. The number 0 refers to open string. So this would indicate 0 on the fourth string. So 0 on the fourth string means you don't press. You just play open string. How about this? 1. 1 means first fret. So these are frets, and they are numbered accordingly: 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And the 5th fret has got a dot, 7th fret also has got a dot, and then the 10th has got 1 dot, and the 12th has got 2 dots. So we have 5, 7, 10, 12. So this is to help us to quickly get to the correct fret. These are called landmarks, you can refer to them. And here we see 1, meaning fret number 1, and the second string. So we need to press this one. and this one is 2nd fret on the 3rd string. So 2nd fret is here, 3rd string is here. So this is how it's played. And this is the 3rd fret on the 1st string. 3rd fret is here, 3rd fret on the 1st string. So this is how you read tabs. Okay, alright, let's take a look at another sheet which I prepared for you. Alright, so this sheet shows all the notes on the strings. Now note that all these sheets, music sheets, can be downloaded from my website as described in the description. So just go to my website and download all these. So all notes on the strings are known as chromatic scale. Why do we call it chromatic? Because we are listing all the possible notes that can ever be played. So for example, on the 4th string, these are all the notes on the 4th string, and you will see here that some of them have got this symbol. This means sharp, and this another symbol here means flat. What do they mean? So let's take the 4th string. Let's look at the 4th string. So this is the 4th string. So the first note you play is an open string 0. This one. So if you play like this, it means you are playing G. And then the second one is on the 1st fret over here. 1st fret is G sharp. So this is G sharp. And then the next note is on the 2nd fret, which is this. And if you play this, you are playing A. So what's the meaning of sharp? Sharp means you increase the value by semitone. So the distance between each fret is called a semitone. Semitone means half a tone. One tone is from here to here. Semitone is from here to here. That is the meaning of semitone. So when we go from one fret to the next, it is a semitone. So here, from G to G sharp, it's a semitone. So we use this symbol sharp to mean increase by half a tone, semitone. So G, which is this, and G sharp, which is here, semitone. And then if we increase another semitone by putting the 2nd finger, we get the A. And then if we increase by another semitone, which is here, 3rd fret, we get a B flat. Now a B flat is also an A sharp. Okay, there are two naming conventions. You can either call a note a sharp or a flat. For example, so if you are coming from the top, G, the semitone will be G sharp. And if you are coming from here, this will be A flat. Because this is A, this is A flat or G sharp. And then if you go here, this is a semitone. Yes? So this is an A sharp. But it's also a B flat because this is B. B is here. This is B. Right? But if you go down, it's half a tone, is B flat. So a B flat is also an A sharp. A sharp, B flat. Right? So there are two names for every sharp and also flats. So A sharp is a B flat. Similarly, G sharp is also an A flat. This is G sharp because semitone from the bridge, from the nut. The nut's open string, if you go down one semitone, so G sharp, and then, yes, G sharp, and then this is G, and this is A. So from A, if you go down half a step, a semitone is a A flat. Alright, so G sharp is an A flat, and A sharp is a B flat. Okay, so that is how it works in music notation, but you don't really have to memorize all this. I'm just giving you explanation to as completion for completion purposes. So if you don't understand this, is quite okay. You can still play the ukulele, classical ukulele, without understand about all these things. Alright, so next thing you can see here, if you keep going down the string, you come to a B. And this symbol here is a natural. A natural cancels the flat. You see, this is a B flat, but if you don't cancel the flat, this will be played as a flat. This is how music theory works, yes? So in order to make this become a B natural, you put this symbol, meaning natural. So this fourth fret here, fourth fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, is a B. Okay, B. And then if you go to the fifth fret, which is this one here, it's a C. Okay, the first dot is the fifth fret. It's a C. And then going up one more to the sixth fret, C sharp. And then one more will be a D on the seventh fret. Now 7th fret, another dot here. That's how you can straight away go to the 7th fret, looking for the dots. Go to the 5th fret, go to the 7th fret. Yeah, very easy. So if you were to look at your tabs and you see 5, straight away go to 5, because it's the first dot. And if you see it's a 7, straight away go to the 7, second dot, 7. So these are landmarks to help you out, and when you are trying to quickly get to a correct fret. Okay. And then if you wanted to play the 8th fret, look for the 7th fret and go down 1 fret and you get an 8. So this will be your E flat. See that? And then next one will be the 9th fret, which should be an E natural. Yes. And then if you go down to one more will be 10th fret. And the 10th fret has got a landmark. There's a dot there. See that? So that will be your 10th fret. Right? So whenever you see your tabs has got 10, no need to count. Go straight to the third dot. 1, 2, 3. The third dot is 10 straight away. Alright, and next one will be 11, which is here. And then finally, if you see 12, straight away jump to the 2 dots. That's it. Alright, so theoretically, this is all the notes you can play on the 4th string. Yes, all the way. Right, and then on the 3rd string, the same pattern repeats itself. Here we go from 0, 1, 2, 3. So here is 0, 1, 2, 3. And these are the corresponding notes that you are playing. And then here 4. When you look at 4, straight away look for the first dot and then go up 1. Because first dot is 5. So to reach 4 quickly, go to 5 and go up 1. There you get it, 4. Right? And then next one is 5. 5. And then 6. And then 7. Straight away when you see 7 on the tab, straight away jump to the second dot, 7. No need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No need. Just go straight to the second dot and you got it right. Then next ones are the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you get 8, 9, 10 will be the third dot, and 11 and 12 will be 2 dots. So this will be 12. Like that. That's the 3rd string. Same pattern holds for the 2nd string. Right? You get, and from here you are playing E, F, F sharp, G, E, F, F sharp, G, and here G sharp, go down to the 4th, A, B flat, and then you have a B, right? And that will be the 7th fret, and then you continue down will be your 8, 9, 10, 11, and finally 12, like that. And 1st string also same pattern, 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? So from if you were to play all of these, 4th string, 4th string, right? Following this notation, 0 all the way to 12. And then 3rd string, this is 3rd string, from here 0, and then second string from 0 to 12. Right? And finally, your first string over here, like this. Like that. So these are all the possible notes that you can ever play on the ukulele. Alright, so this is how you read notes and tabs. Most of the time when playing ukulele, you read the tab because the tab has more information than the notes. So for the tab will tell you which string and which fret straight away. But the notes you have to interpret where it is on the keyboard. Okay, so that's why the tab is such a useful thing to have for ukulele and guitar as well. So this is the video on the all the notes on the tab's chromatic scale. So let's go on to the next one. Alright, the next one is the key of C and G. So for key and C of G, I will talk to you about it in the next video. Thank you for watching.